Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing an abstract art demonstration, but we are using the tab. So I have chosen a black canvas for this. If you don't have, you can paint the white canvas with the black paint, and then you can start this painting. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have taken the yellow color, yellow ochre, and white. Now we're going to be using knife and a little bit just to blend it roughly. This way is because we're doing abstract, so abstract is more bold style. Even you can choose brush as well. So with that, I'm using the burnt amber color, and it's the light burnt amber. And just spreading that a bit to the other sides as well. And I have picked more mature colors here. Next color that I have picked is the semi-matte burnt sienna. So we have used the tab, so now we can apply the colors across the tab area so that the usage of tab is very clear in our art. Grabbing some white and a little bit of crimson. The next color that I have picked is orange. The next color that I have chosen is the burnt amber, but it's the dark burnt amber. And with the dark burnt amber, I will be using a bit of black. Bit of scarlet, mixing a little bit with the white. The best thing about the abstract art that I love is that you don't have to worry about being very fine and neat. So it's all about the beautiful colors coming together and expressing our feelings at the same moment and enjoying the colors. Got some of the violet on my palette knife. White color, and we'll just have watery white and we'll tap tap tap. Just like the same, I'm grabbing some scarlet color and tap it over the top of the painting. Make sure to thin it a little bit, because when it's very thick you can't apply it. So guys, the most satisfying part is to peel off the tabs. So guys, this is the final look of the abstract demonstration art. Hope you like it. Please do let me know in the comment section below that you have tried, and then see you with another amazing video. Take care, bye bye.